Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so this is the 28th question of the number theory chapter. So question says x and y are real numbers such that square root of x square is minus x. Okay, so it says square root of x square is minus x. Also mod of x upon y is given to be 1. Now which of the following is true? So there are three things that are mentioned. We have to figure out which of them are true. One or more than one can be true also. So first statement, if I have square root of x square is equal to minus x, square root cannot give me a negative number. Okay, square root, if I have square root of 4, it is equal to 2. Square root of 16, is it minus 4? No, it is 4. So square root is giving me a positive number. So the result should be positive, but it is minus x. So from here I can conclude that x is negative. Okay, x is negative. Also one more case is there, wherein x can be 0, because under root of 0 square is equal to minus 0. Minus 0 is nothing but 0. So x is negative or x is 0. This is what I get from here. Okay. So for our sake, what we'll do is we'll take two numbers. One of them is 0. I can take x as 0, and when x is negative, let us say x is minus 2. Okay. So x can be minus 2. If you plug over here, minus 2 square is what? 4. Under root 4 is what? 2. So if I take x as minus 2, over here I get under root of minus 2 square. Minus 2 square is what? 4. So under root 4 is equal to 2. And 2 is what? Minus of minus 2, which is minus x, because x is minus 2. So I am taking just two cases, x as 0 and x as minus 2. X can be any negative number. In the second scenario, I get mod of x upon y equal to 1. So from here, I get y is equal to mod x. So y is either 0 or positive. So over here, when x is 0, I get y as 0. And when x is minus 2, I get y is equal to 2. So when x is minus 2, y becomes 2, and when x is 0, y is 0. Now I have this situation, okay, that when x is 0, y is 0, when x is minus 2, y is 2. We'll see which of them satisfies here. X into y if I do. So if x is 0, y is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, which is equal to 0 square. So it is true here, but if I take x as minus 2 and y as 2, x into y will be that minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, but it is not equal to x square. X square when x is minus 2 becomes 4. So x into y is not equal to x square in that case, when I am taking x as the negative number. Okay, why? Because x was minus 2 and y was 2. So if I do minus 2 times 2, minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Okay, but x square has to be minus 2 square, which is 4. Okay, so this is not true here. Okay. So which of the following is or are true? First is not true. X plus y, if I take 0 plus 0, that is 0, true. If I take minus 2 plus 2, that is also 0. So 2 is always true. 2 is always true. Third statement, x raised to 4 upon 5 raised to 4 equal to 1. If I take 0 and 0, 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. 0 by 0 is not equal to 1. So third option is also not true here. Okay, because when x is 0, y is 0, that is also a possibility. So third is also not correct. So only 2 is correct. Which of the following is true? Only 2. Only 2, which is x plus y equal to 0. That is the only one that is correct here. Alright, so that's how you solve this question.